This has been a car I've dreamed of building literally since 2008 when it came out. Here it is, our Retro Bullitt. Chuck, thank you so much for letting us do this. Hey, it was a dream build for me, and
wouldn't have dreamed of having anyone else do it. I've probably got as much blood, sweat, and tears and worries in it than you do.
Well, hopefully we took some of them away, and if you want a 67 or 68 fastback from Retrobuilt and you have a donor car, this is it's gonna look a lot like this. And we didn't want to miss a detail. We you know, we got a couple shows coming up. We got Houston, of course, and then we got the Mustang Owners Museum show, and you'll see this thing shine and shine more and more as it goes on.
August, Somerset.
We are carrying it to the Bullitt Nationals in Carlisle, Pennsylvania, the latter part of May. And we plan on being at the last Grand National show of MCA and Labor Day weekend in Fredericksburg, Virginia.
Absolutely. And the people here are just astonished. In fact, it was actually funny. We had a guy that we pulled this car up over here for that had an 08 Bullitt that was stock. He didn't realize that this was the same car. We had to tell him that we didn't realize it was an 08 Bullitt, so I think we did the job. And he was asking, hey, can I get pictures of him? We said, yeah, it's the same car. And he kind of did a double take and then thought about it and then quickly realized, oh my gosh, what did these crazy guys do? Hopefully I'll sleep tonight. I feel like maybe we'll see.
I won't get much sleep tonight. We've got like 6 hours driving time back, and then I'll probably stay out in the garage with it all night.
Play with it, get reacquainted with it.
Yeah, we're going to debut it tomorrow at our Cherry Blossom car show in Macon, Georgia tomorrow. So there's other Bullets that will be there, and people from Florida, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, Alabama.
Other Bullets, but do you think there'll be another one quite like this?
No.
Yeah. You know, this is a one of one as of right now, and we couldn't be more proud of it. I mean, doing this, you know, really a tribute to the movie and to Steve McQueen on this car was such an honor for us. And Chuck, I really, on an emotional level, I can't thank you enough for letting us do it.
You're highly welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. This is, in my opinion, the best car we've ever built. You know, like I said, it's at 98%. We got a couple things we still need to tweak on it. There's a couple third-party issues we still got to wait on. But as soon as those things are made, I would put this car up against any show car in the world. You know, once we get those little tweaks done, we're there. But I'm so proud of the whole car, the shape of it, the quarters. You know, we had a lot of time in it, and thank you to everyone on the entire Retrobuilt team. You know, working late nights to get the car here, to get it to Chuck. All the people that we had helping hands, Danny, Duncan. You know,
when's the crowd going to come out and say, congratulations, you're on Retrobuilt?
Yeah, congratulations, you're on Retrobuilt. Yeah, it's kind of like overhauling, but not exactly. So but congratulations, you own Retro Bullitt #1. So
yeah, I don't think there will be another donor Bullitt car.
I don't either.
People will probably get a 5, 6, 7 GT or something like that and do it, but somebody that took the ambition to get a real 40th anniversary Bullitt car, serialized 5623, and put it to the knife.
Yep.
And in my opinion, it came out better.
Thank you.
You got the best of both worlds. You've got the looks of the retro car. You've got the convenience, the ride, the safety, and reliability of the 08
Yep.
car.
And I hear people a lot say, well, that's how they should have looked from Ford, and you know, that's how I wish they would have came from the factory, and that's always a rewarding compliment. But you know, this is unlike any 08 Bullitt I've ever seen, and I really hope that you know, everyone loves it just as much as we do. So, Chuck, once again, I probably said thank you 15 times, but you let me build a dream here. So, thank you again. And Joey, walk around the car, do a bunch of cartwheels, jumping jacks, whatever you do to get all the cool videos. That's fair. Well, good. I like to hear that. You guys are gonna be full of it. Trust me. Were people stopping you asking what year it was? Did they say, what is that? Is that a Bullitt? What is that car?
Yeah, that's one guy that walked up to me and said, "Can you bring the leave out?" And like, what is it? I said, "It's an old." He said, "What do you need?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Well,
well, good. Good, that makes my day. I knew it was going to happen that way, that you guys weren't going to be able to get out of the gas station. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you want free pizza, like here, comment below, watch some of our other videos here, and subscribe here. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe, you rascal. It'd be like pretty cool if you subscribed and stuff. Subscribe, then click that Taco Bell logo if you want notifications and burritos.